Your tiny house is on wheels, which means it can take you anywhere in the world. Would you roll through a busy city full of lights? Or park near a quiet beach with waves crashing nearby? Maybe you'd explore the jungle, the desert, or even the snowy mountains. Wherever you go, imagine the amazing adventures and discoveries waiting for you. Now, write about the journey your tiny home takes you on. Pause the video now and start writing. When you are finished, click play to continue. Living in a tiny house isn't just fun. It's an adventure on wheels. Think about all the amazing places you can go and how cozy it feels inside. Now, imagine telling your best friend why they should join you. Can you promise them exciting travels, new discoveries, or the joy of a home that can move anywhere? Write your best pitch. Convince your friend that life in a mobile house is the best idea ever. Pause the video now and start writing. When you are finished, click play to continue. Tiny houses aren't just small. They can be super smart for the Earth. Here's a fun challenge. Can you match each eco-friendly feature to its picture? For example, do you see the solar panel? It's what gives clean energy from the sun. What about the composting toilet or the rainwater collection system? Take a moment to think. Which picture belongs to which eco feature? Pause the video now and start matching. When you are finished, click play to continue. Shh! Something magical is happening on the rooftop garden of your tiny house. A group of whimsical creatures is holding a secret meeting. Last time, you only watched from afar. But this time, you're brave enough to join them. What happens when you step into their magical circle? Do they whisper secrets of the forest? Do they ask you to complete a daring quest? Or maybe they welcome you as one of their own. Grab your pencil and tell the story of your rooftop adventure. Pause the video now and start writing. When you are finished, click play to continue. Psst! Remember that rooftop garden meeting with the whimsical creatures? Well, it's time to reveal who was there. Were they giggling goblins? Fluffy cloud bunnies? Or maybe rainbow-tailed foxes? Grab your pencil or crayons and draw the magical creatures you met at the meeting. Make them as silly, sparkly, or strange as you want. Pause the video now and start drawing. When you are finished, click play to continue. Thanks for joining us on today's writing adventure. If you enjoyed this, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos from Creative Writing Adventure Series. Don't forget to download your free writing worksheets in the description below. Until next time, keep writing, keep imagining, and keep making real-world impact.